Okay.
Here we can kind of see this kind of exophytic papule. And then we do appreciate some kind of lobules forming within the dermis. Again, looks like blood vessels from lower power. However, here, I feel like you can appreciate maybe a little bit more like sclerotic collagen, a little bit more eosinophilic, brighter. So it looks like it could be pyogenic granuloma, but perhaps some of the fibrosis, you might think that it's regressing.
Yeah, especially up here. Look, it's almost all gone. We got one little feeder vessel. It's dilated. And then we got a little tiny lobule, another tinier lobule, maybe a couple of small, medium-sized feeder vessels, but the rest of this thing is scar, but it still has that collarette, right? Which helps tell us this is usual, like post-traumatic scar doesn't have a collarette around it, right? This doesn't. There was something here that's almost all gone, and we can see the rest of it over here. So really nice example of lobular capillary hemangioma, aka pyogenic granuloma, that has partial regression. It's a very nice. You can get a scar, fibrosis, sclerosis, edema, and again, this one doesn't have the ulcer and neutrophils on top. They don't always have that. Small vessels packed close together, but from low power, nice lobularity, right? So great example